Hello everyone. The African National Congress chairperson Gwede Mantashe has responded to his tribalism comment on the Umkhonto weSizwe Party after receiving a backlash online. A lot of people couldn't understand of what he was saying and criticized him of his tribal comment, because African National Congress is also leading in other provinces and no one has come out and called those provinces tribalist. On Thursday, after the Umkhonto weSizwe Party dominated the vote in KwaZulu-Natal during the early vote counting, Umkhonto weSizwe Party was leading with 45.34% in KwaZulu-Natal. Gwede Mantashe was shocked that Umkhonto weSizwe Party is leading in KwaZulu-Natal and said if the impact is in KwaZulu-Natal, it reflects something different. It reflects Zulu tribalism, and I don't think we should look ourselves into Zulu tribalism. Tribalism is a backward form of politics. It is having its time frame, it disappears. So if that is the factor, I'm not worried about it.
But that comment about you talking about tribalism and the MK vote was inappropriate. Do you regret it?
What is inappropriate is when people have lost ideological consciousness, when they take concepts and interpret them literally. That is the death of consciousness. Can I remind you something?
Yes.
At one time there was a concept of a Cosa Nostra.
Yes.
We never took it as an insult to Xhosas. It was a concept.
So what concept were you trying to communicate in this?
All I'm saying is that if you see trends of people trying to look for a father figure, because certain father figures have been removed, you look for a new one, that is not an innocent motivation. Okay.
Thank you.
The national spokesperson of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, Nhlamulo Ndlela, also responded and said when Thabo Mbeki was president of this country, most of his votes were coming from Eastern Cape. Was the ANC called a Xhosa party? So why these kinds of comments? It's very sad. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.